All right, we are unboxing our brand new Bounce Wave obstacle. I'm not going to tell you the name because I'm going to rename it. So anything I say would be wrong. Okay, so here are my thoughts. That's a 1.5, and it needs a little more, so at least a 2 horsepower, but that's fine. Given the size and everything, that's within reason. If it got to 2 1s or something like that, or a 3 horsepower, then it would be in the range of most of the obstacles out there, because they have all those little things that they have to blow up on the inside. Now this one has fewer obstacles than the other, but I think that the slide at the end, especially if you add water, will definitely make up for it. This is going to be a through the summer kind of piece where none of my other obstacles are. Even my Empire slide, which is wet dry, doesn't do a whole lot during the summer, simply because it's not looked at like that. This is looked at like that. It literally has a full-on water slide at the end with a splash pad and the whole 9 yards. So thumbs up on that. The price was absolutely perfect. We'll be able to do a lot with this, and my initial thought is that this is going to definitely give me that extra option, especially for big events, schools, churches, colleges, all the other ones where you have slide, slip and slide, something that you need in the middle. Combos on the big events are a struggle, simply because there's way too much traffic going in and out. You know, if you have 40, 80, 100 kids, it's really difficult even with a dual lane combo to get them to move through, because they like to linger and bounce. And this will definitely move a lot quicker, so I think that this would be the better option. Now, the negatives on this, and it doesn't have anything to do with bounce wave, it doesn't have anything to do with that. It's the design itself. Every obstacle enters on one end, exits on the other, and there's a long track that you're going to bring a lot of dirt and mud and everything else in. So you're going to have to figure out a way to tarp all of that. That's a good distance, and since it's dual lane, you may be forced to do it on both sides, which is not ideal. So placement is going to be very important to make sure that you get the water running off and away from the unit, and there's not a big mud puddle that is, you know, congregating on the end that's going to bring that mud around and into the unit. It may be better to go with something like a carpet or you know, artificial turf or something like that. I'll have to play with it and see. The other thing of that is that anything that goes in there is going to be in there. It's going to get, you know, all the nooks and all the crannies and all the crevices and all the stuff. So cleaning is not going to be the funnest thing. It does have an open top, which is beautiful. Turn it up on its side, hose it down, get everything out, lay it back down, let it dry, and hopefully, you know, that will be a good way to clean it and get it moved through. Personally, I like it. It's a very attractive unit. I love the colors. I love the color scheme. And like I said, we're going to go and do a contest to name it, and do that with our customers, and hopefully they will, you know, they'll appreciate it, and maybe I'll even give whoever names it, I'll give a rental out on it for free. We'll see. But all in all, excellent piece. I like it. I probably am going to do a hard test and then start determining whether or not I'm going to buy multiples, different colors, things like that. I like it. Like I said, good piece. I like the fact that it's, you know, blowing up solid on a 1.5. I would never run it on a 1.5. It does need a little bit more air, because if you're getting in and out, it does sink a little bit too low. So 2 horsepower would be good, and that's beautiful. I am right in the middle of my end of year school season, so this piece is going to be perfect. I want to thank Blake for selling this, for, you know, giving me the opportunity to do it, and all the folks at Bounce Wave. I appreciate all your hard work, and I appreciate your design on this. It's a beautiful piece, and I do recommend it. So there you have it.